Hi students, in definite integration for modulus functions, here there are three problems. Look at this problem. First one solution. Okay, integral 1 to 2 mod x minus 3 dx. Here between 1 and 2 there is no value of 3 here. So what is the definition of modulus function? Mod x minus 3 is equal to minus of x minus 3 if x minus 3 is less than 0. So x less than 3. When do we have mod x minus 3 value plus x minus 3? If x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0 as per the modulus definition. So x is greater than or equal to 3. So as per the given modulus, between 1 and 2, what is the value of mod x minus 3? Between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2, what is the value of mod x minus 3? It is mod x minus 3 value between 1 and 2 means it is above 2. Above 2 means where it is? Above 2 means where it is? Above 2 means automatically it is above 3 also. Okay? Less than 3? It is less than 3. So if it is less than 3, what is the value of this integral? Minus of x minus 3 dx. Between 1 and 2 means it is below 3. Below 3 means x less than 3. If x less than 3, what is the modulus x minus 3? So 1 to 2, integral 1 to 2 means it is below 3. That is why I am taking negative value here. So take integration. I will write one more step here. This I can write 3 minus x dx. Integration of 3 is 3x. X is x square by 2. What are the limits here? 2, 1. Put upper limit 3 2s are 6 minus 4 by 2 means 2. Lower limit is 1. 3 minus 1 upon 2. So 4, 6 minus 1, 5 by 2. So 2 4s are 8 minus 5, 3 by 2. Therefore, integral 1 to 2 mod x minus 3 dx value 3 by 2. Okay, answer is 3 by 2. Integral 1 to 2 mod x minus 3 dx. What is the stationary point of this 3? But between 1 and 2 there is no 3. That's why it is below 3. Below 3 means we can take mod x minus 3 minus of x minus 3. Okay, integral 1 to 2 mod x minus 3 dx value 3 by 2. Okay, let us see second one. Second solution, integral 0 to 1 mod 5x minus 3 dx. Now you can split this. What is modulus 5x minus 3 equal to plus 5x minus 3 if 5x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0, above 0. So 5x is greater than or equal to 3. X greater than or equal to 3 by 5. When do we take mod minus of 5x minus 3? If 5x minus 3 is less than 0, 5x less than 3, x less than 3 by 5. Okay? So now what is the stationary point of 5x minus 3? 3 by 5. So I can split this way. integral 0 to 3 by 5 mod 5x minus 3 dx plus 3 by 5 to 1 mod 5x minus 3 dx. Okay. Now what are the values here? Between 0 and 3 by 5, x value is less than 3 by 5. So if x value is less than 3 by 5, mod 5x minus 3 value minus of 5x minus 3. So integral 0 to 3 by 5, this value will be minus of 5x minus 3 dx plus between 3 by 5 and 1, x value is more than 3 by 5. More than 3 by 5 means mod 5x minus 3 value 5x minus 3. Okay. So integral 3 by 5 to 1, this will be 5x minus 3 dx. Okay. So let me integrate this. 3 minus 5x, let me write. So 3x minus 5 x square by 2. What are the limits here? 3 by 5, 0. Plus here x square by 2 minus 3x. Limits are 1, 3 by 5. So let me write upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. 3 3s are 9 by 5 minus 9 by 2, 45 by 2, minus of this will be 0 plus here 5 by 2 minus 3 minus of 9, sorry, 3 3s are 9 by 5, here 5 by 2 into 9 by 25, right? So 5 ones, 5 5s we can cut. 9 by 10 will come here. Here 9 by 10. Okay. 5 by 2 into 3 by 5 whole square means 9 by 25. Here 5 into 1 by 2 minus 3. So here what will you get here? 5 by 2 into again 9 by 25. Same. 5 5s. So 9 by 10 will come first term minus 9 by 5. So take LCM. 18 minus 9. 5 minus 6 minus 1 by 2. Here also LCM 10. 9 minus 18. Okay. Now what will you get? 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2 minus 9 by 10 means plus 9 by 10. This will be 18 by 10. 18 by 10 means 2 9s, 2 5s. So 2 9s are 18 minus 5, 13 by 10. 13 by 10 is the right answer. Therefore, integral 0 to 1 mod 5x minus 3 dx value 13 by 10. Right? 13 by 10. That is the end of solution. Let us see third problem. Okay? Third problem. Third one, integral minus 5 to 5 mod x minus 2 dx. This how do we split? Between minus 5 and 5, 2 is there. So minus 5 to 2 mod x minus 2 dx plus 2 to 5 mod x minus 2 dx. Okay. between minus 5 and 5 stationary point is 2 here. So what is the definition of mod x minus 2 now? Mod x minus 2 equal to x minus 2 if x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. So x is greater than or equal to 2. When do we take minus of x minus 2? If x minus 2 is less than 0. So x less than 2. Okay. So between minus 5 and 2, between minus 5 and 2, x value is less than 2. If x is less than 2, what is the modulus of x minus 2? So minus x minus 2. Minus of x minus 2 dx plus between 2 to 5, x value is greater than 2. Greater than 2 means what is the modulus x minus 2? So that is plus x minus 2 dx. Okay. So this will be 2 minus x. So 2x minus x square by 2, upper limit, lower limit. Okay. Plus this will be x square by 2 minus 2x. 5, 2. Now substitute 4 minus 2 minus of minus 10 25 by 2 plus 25 by 2 minus 10 minus of 2 minus 4. This will be 2 minus 20 minus 25 minus 45 plus 45 by 2 plus 25 minus 20 5 by 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 4, 50 by 2 25, 25 plus 4 29 is the right answer. Therefore integral minus 5 to 5 mod x minus 2 dx value 29. That is the end of solution. Okay. Let us see one more problem. Integral 0 to 2, fourth one, integral 0 to 2 modulus x square plus 2x x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. Okay. So first let us find stationary points for this. That means we will factorize this first. X square plus 2x minus 3 equal to x square plus 3x minus 1x minus 3. Take x common, x plus 3 minus 1 of x plus 3, factorization x plus 3 of x minus 1. So what are the stationary points here? Minus 3 and 1. Positive, negative, positive. Wavy curve method. So stationary points are minus 3 and 1. Minus 3 and 1. So how do we split this integration now? X square plus 2x minus 3 dx equal to, since our interval is 0 to 2, minus 3 doesn't include in that. So how to write this? 0 to 1 mod x square plus 2x minus 3 dx plus 1 to 2 mod x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. Okay, is that clear? Since minus 3 doesn't include in 0 to 2, I am taking 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. Now what is our definition here? Modulus x square plus 2x minus 3 value will be positive if x square plus 2x minus 3 must be greater than or equal to 0. When it is greater than or equal to 0, above 1 and below minus 3. So x less than or equal to minus 3 and above 1, it is positive. And minus of x square plus 2x minus 3. When do we have this negative? Because x square plus 2x minus 3 less than 0. When do we have negative here? If minus 3 less than x less than 1. Between minus 3 and 1, our function value is negative. So how do we write our integration now? Between 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means x less than 1. X less than 1 means here we have condition. So modulus this function will be negative. Minus of x square plus 2x minus 3 dx plus 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means x value is more than 1. X value is more than 1 means our function is positive. So x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. Okay. Now let us integrate this. How do we integrate this? So I'll take minus inside. So 3x minus x square by 2 means x square minus x cube by 3. What are the limits here? 1, 0. Next, x cube by 3, x square minus 3x. What are the limits here? 2, 1. Okay? What are the limits? 2 and 1. Now, put first upper limit value. Put upper limit value. What is the upper limit here? 1. So 3 ones are 3 minus 1 square means 1. 1 by 3. So rest will be 0 plus 2 cube 8 by 3 plus 2 square 4. 3 2s are 6 minus of 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 3. Okay. So this will be 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 8 by 3 minus 2 minus of 1 by 3 minus 2. Now take LCM. 6 minus 1 5 by 3, 8 minus 6 2 by 3, 1 minus 3 1 minus 6 minus 5 by 3. So plus 5 by 3. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 by 3, 3 4s are. Answer is 4. Therefore, integral 0 to 2 modulus x square plus 2x minus 3 dx equal to 4. That is the end of solution. Okay. Let us see one more problem. Next one, fourth one. Integral minus 6 to 6 mod x plus 2 dx. Look at this. What is the modulus function? Modulus x plus 2 value is positive if x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0, x greater than or equal to minus 2. When do we have it is negative? If x plus 2 is less than 0. So x less than minus 2. So remember that procedure. Modulus definition. So between minus 6 and 6, what is the stationary point here? Minus 2. So how do we split this integration? Equal to minus 2 will be there. So minus 6 to minus 2 mod x plus 2 dx plus minus 2 to 6 mod x plus 2 dx. Okay. Now between minus 6 and minus 2, between minus 6 and minus 2, x value is less than minus 2. That means modulus x plus 2 will be minus of x plus 2. Minus of x plus 2 dx plus integral minus 2 to 6. Between minus 2 and 6, x value is more than minus 2. This will be positive, x plus 2 dx. Okay. So how do we integrate this? X square by 2 minus plus 2x. What are the limits here? Minus 2 and minus 6 plus x square by 2 plus 2x. 6 minus 2. So minus of 4 by 2 means 2 minus 2, minus of 36 by 2 means 18 minus 12 plus 6 square 36 by 2 18 plus 12 minus of 2 minus 4. This will be 0, minus 6 will be there, so plus 6 plus 30 minus 2, minus into minus plus 2. So what is the answer here? 36 plus 2, 36 plus 2, 38, 38, but answer is 40. Look at it, check once again. Minus 2 whole square is 4 by 2, 2. Here 2 2s are 4, no? So minus 2 will be there. Minus 2, minus 6. So minus 8 already, plus 8. So 40 is the right answer. Therefore, integral minus 6 to 6 mod x plus 2 dx will be 40. That is the end of solution. Next question, minus 2 to 2 mod x plus 1. Is that clear? Fifth one. Fifth solution. Integral, fifth question, minus 2 to 2 mod x plus 1. So what is the mod x plus 1 value? Mod x plus 1 equal to x plus 1 if x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, x greater than or equal to minus 1, minus of x plus 1 if x plus 1 is less than 0, x less than minus 1. Okay, that is the modulus definition. Now how do we split our integration? Integral minus 2 to 2 mod x plus 1 dx equal to integral minus 2 to, what is the stationary point here? Minus 1. So between minus 2 and 2 minus 1 is there. Mod x plus 1 dx plus minus 1 to 2 mod x plus 1 dx. Clear? So, between minus 2 and minus 1, x is less than minus 1. If x is less than minus 1, what is the modulus value of x plus 1? Minus of x plus 1 dx plus integral minus 1 to 2. Between minus 1 and 2, x value is more than minus 1, so it will be positive. So dx. So how do we write this? X square by 2 minus x. Integral minus 1 to limits x square by 2 plus x. Limits are 2 minus 1. Okay. Let us substitute values now. Minus 1 whole square will be always plus. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus of 4 by 2 means 2 plus 2. Okay, carefully you have to substitute. 4 by 2 means 2 plus 2 minus of minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square means 1. 1 by 2 minus 1. These are the substitution. 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. Plus 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Half plus half 1, 1 plus 4, 5. So answer is integral minus 2 to 2 mod x plus 1 dx value 5. Clear? This is the end of solution. So let us see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.